guys, it's your girl Star and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video, it is my fall clean with me video. I'm just up early in the morning. I'm just in the mood to clean, so hope you guys enjoy.
Shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you.
So if you're new to my channel, me and Babe recently moved into this home about 2 months now, and we still ain't get our blinds, y'all. I don't know what we waiting on. We just, just taking our time on certain things. And when I say paper blinds are the plug, it is the plug.
Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim.
So earlier this morning, I had made some breakfast, you guys. And if you haven't watched what I eat in a day videos, I'll put a link right above. But I just simply made me some eggs and bacon and some avocados. So I'm just cleaning up the dishes, loading up the dishwasher, and making sure the sink is spotless and dry. I say I am obsessed with these microfiber soft towels that I got from Amazon. Oh my god, you guys, it's like a 50 pack I bought for probably like around $12. I'll put the link in my description box. When I say it comes in handy in cleaning the house, and then as soon as I'm done with them, I just wash them until they're just, I can't use it no more. But I'm probably used like at least 12 towels so far, and I ordered a 50 pack, so I might not reorder no time soon. I don't need to, but when I say these are clutch, oh my god. much, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video, my fall clean with me. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't already, join the gang. I know you want to. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.